tattoo artists. What ideas have you said no to? Years ago, an artist shared a story about a guy who entered her shop wanting a complex tattoo on his side. She created a design based on his request, and he was excited about the artwork. She instructed him to remove his shirt so she could transfer the design and begin the tattooing process. When he took off his shirt, she discovered a large, hateful symbol covering his stomach. Being of Jewish descent, the artist chose not to say anything and proceeded with the tattoo. Once the tattoo was completed, she took him to a mirror to see the finished work and asked for his thoughts. He enthusiastically praised its beauty, paid her, and left a generous tip. Before he could leave, she stopped him and said, "I know the meaning of your symbol, sir. You should be aware that I lost family members in the concentration camps during the war." She continued, "You should also know that the finest ink you will ever receive was provided by a Jew. Consider yourself fortunate that you had the privilege of choosing how it appeared. Now leave my shop and never return." He walked out feeling embarrassed, ashamed, and concerned about carrying a tattoo for life that was done by a Jew. It can be assumed that he had the tattoo removed soon after.